Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
First, you'll want to thoroughly wash and scrub each potato under cold running water to remove any dirt or debris from the skin. After washing, use a clean towel to pat them completely dry. This simple step ensures your potatoes are clean and ready for cooking, making sure no unwanted grit makes it into your meal. It's a quick but essential part of the preparation process. For a fantastic roasted texture, preheat your oven to 400 degrees F, which is about 200 degrees C. Take a fork and carefully pierce each sweet potato several times all over. This allows steam to escape during cooking and prevents them from bursting. Then, simply place your prepared potatoes directly onto a baking sheet, or line it with foil for easier cleanup. Roast them for about 45 to 60 minutes, or until they are tender when squeezed, turning once halfway through for even browning. If you prefer a softer, more uniform texture, boiling or steaming is an excellent choice. For boiling, place the whole, clean potatoes into a pot and cover them with cold water by about 1 inch. Bring the water to a boil, then reduce the heat to a simmer and cook until the potatoes are fork tender, typically 20 to 30 minutes. For steaming, put the potatoes in a steamer basket over boiling water and let them steam for 25 to 35 minutes, checking tenderness periodically. Both methods yield a wonderfully soft result. Once your purple sweet potatoes are perfectly cooked, it's time to enjoy them. Carefully slice them lengthwise or dice them into bite-sized cubes, depending on your preference. To enhance their natural sweetness, you can add a small drizzle of maple syrup or a pat of butter, which melts beautifully into the warm flesh. A pinch of sea salt also works wonders to bring out their unique flavor, or even a dash of cinnamon for a warmer, aromatic touch. Experiment to find your favorite combination. Cooked purple sweet potatoes are also great for meal prepping. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in your refrigerator, where they will stay fresh for up to 3 to 4 days. To reheat, you can gently warm them in the microwave for a minute or two, or pop them back into the oven until they are heated through. These versatile, nutrient-rich potatoes are a fantastic addition to any meal, whether as a satisfying side dish, a healthy snack, or even incorporated into other recipes. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.